This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT. To maximize your score in just 3 days, focus on strategic preparation and efficient review. Begin by understanding the test format and question types. This plan emphasizes identifying your strengths and weaknesses quickly, then dedicating your limited time to improving those specific areas. Remember, consistent effort over these 3 days is crucial for seeing improvement. Let's dive into the first day's tasks. On day 1, your primary goal is to take a complete, timed SAT practice test. Treat it like the actual exam, including breaks. After finishing, score it carefully. Don't just look at the right answers. Understand why you got questions wrong. Were they content gaps, timing issues, or careless mistakes? Spend time reviewing the underlying math concepts and grammar rules related to your errors. This diagnostic step is vital for tailoring your next 2 days of study effectively. Day 2 is all about targeted practice. Based on your diagnostic test, focus intensely on the sections where you scored lowest. If math was challenging, practice algebra and geometry problems. If reading was difficult, work on specific passage types. Use official SAT practice materials to ensure you're practicing relevant questions. Don't forget to review test-taking strategies, such as time management for each section. Consistent, focused practice will build your confidence and improve your accuracy. For your final day, avoid burnout by doing a lighter review. Complete one practice section from each subject area to keep your mind sharp, but don't take another full test. Briefly review your notes on common mistakes, important formulas, and grammar rules. Focus on your mindset, visualize success, and ensure you get a good night's sleep. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and you'll be ready for test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.